In today's video, I'll teach you how to sell on cars.com. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in cars.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of cars.com. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to sell your car, click on this option, sell your car, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to sell your car, or you can also click on the sell option that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find more details regarding selling your car. You'll be able to see two options over here, get instant offer, list on cars.com. If you click on this option, get instant offer, you'll be able to get the offer right away and you'll get paid right away. So click on this option, get your instant offer. Now once you do that, you'll be able to list your car by plate, by VIN or by make. After you do that, follow through the prompts, negotiate the deal, and you'll be able to sell your car instantly. Likewise, what you can do is simply click on this option, list on cars.com. After you do that, you'll be able to create a free listing. What you have to do is enter the license plate or VIN over here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now provide the information. If you selected the option for license plate, what you have to do is enter your license plate number over here. Likewise, select the state. Now click on this option, get started, that you can see on the screen. Right now I do not have any car, but I'll tell you what to do. Now after you click on the get started option, what you have to do is simply provide more details regarding the car. You'll have to detailedly provide the specifications of the car. You'll also have to specify the make. Likewise, what you have to do is upload the photos of the cars, follow through the prompts, and your car will be listed. Now once your car has been listed, the buyers can contact you, answer their queries, and close the deal. So like this, you'll be able to sell the car. So that is how you sell cars on cars.com. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.